Hello friends, today's topic is data handling as we already covered first part based on the chapter data handling, and this is the second part of the chapter data handling, and let's see what new we are going to learn today in this chapter data handling. So let's start the video over here. So some based on pictograph is to be presented over here. So let's see what we are going to do here. First sum is total number of animals in 5 villages are as following. Village A 80 animals are there, village B 120, village C 90 and village D 40, and in village E 60 animals are there. Now what is to be given in the question? Prepare a pictograph. We need to prepare pictograph of these animals using one symbol to represent 10 animals. What is the symbol, friends? Symbol is like this circle, and in circle multiplication sign is there in between. Yes friends, this is the symbol, and one symbol represent 10 animals. So in village A how many animals are there? 80. So we will divide 80 by 10. Why by 10? Because one symbol represents 10. So that means if we want to make 80, we'll make 8 such symbols. Yes, after making 8 such symbols we can represent it as 80 friends. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. So this is the chart for village A. As I have done the pictograph for village A, you can see over here it is drawn over here also, and on the top it is written as one symbol indicates 10 animals that we have seen in previous class also. I hope you all might be getting it. So for the village B it is 120. Similarly 12 symbols are to be drawn over here, and each symbol represent 10 animals. That's the only thing. So in village B you can see 120 is to be drawn like this. Now we will see about village C. Now in village C 90 animals are there, that means it should be 9 symbols would be there. How many symbols are there? 9. Write it, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. That means correct pictograph is to be shown over here. So let's begin for the village D. That means 40 divided by 10, that means 4. So there 4 symbols should be there. 4 are there, 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, 4 symbols are there, that means pictograph done is correct. Now for the village E 60 is there, that means divided by 10. 60 divided by 10 result in 6. So 6 symbol would be there. So let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 symbols are there, that means the pictograph drawn over here is correct. So after drawing the pictograph, what we are going to do? We need to solve the questions that are given below over here. Now our first question is how many symbols represent animals of village E? How many symbols are there in village E? 60 animals are there, but how many symbols is there? So these are the symbols we need to count. How many symbols that we need to count? How many symbols are there, friends? So let us count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 symbols are there, so our answer would be 6. As you all can see, our answer is written over here, that is 6. So we have obtained correct answer. So let's begin with the B. Which village has the maximum number of animals? Maximum number of animals we can see in village B, that is 120. That was simple, so our answer is village B. Now let's move to see some. Question number C. Which village has more animals, village A or C? We need to compare in village A and village C. In village A 80 animals are there, and in village C 90 animals are there. So in village C animals are more than village A, so we can see our answer over here. Village C has more animals than village A by 10 animals. Yes, we can justify by giving more information also. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the second slide, and let's see what we are going to do over here. Total number of students of a school in different years shown in the following table. Years 1996, 1998, 2000, 2002, 2004. Yes, this data is given, and what is the number of students are there in the school? In 1996 400 students were there, and 535, 430, 472, 600, 620. This was the number of students in the school. Now what is the question number A. Prepare a pictograph of students using one symbol to represent one. This symbol represent 100 students. In this way we have to prepare pictograph. Yes friends, so the pictograph drawn over here, that means the number we will divide by 100. Why by 100? Because in question it is given that one symbol represents 100. That's why we need to divide by 100. In the previous sum it was 10, so we have divided it by 10, and here it is 100, so we'll divide it by 100. So 400 divided by 100. Let us already over here 400 divided by 100. 2020 cancel. That means 4 symbol will represent. Oh yes, so 4 symbols are there. 1 2 3 4. Yes, 4 symbols are there. That means the pictograph is correct for 1996. So let us verify for 1998. That is 535. Yes friends, 535 we will divide by 100. That means 5 would be there. 5.35 we can say. That means 5 complete symbol, and the next symbol would be half or less than half. 1 2 3 4 5, and half one is this. That means 535 is also drawn correct. Now let's begin for the 2000 year number 2000 472 are there. That means 472 divided by 100. So in point we can do 4.72. Yes friends, so this is the error we can see over here. If you want to draw less than 50 also, then also we are representing it by half symbol, and if we want to represent more than 50, then also we have to represent it by half symbol only. So that was the error. That means how many will do? 4 complete and 1 half. Are there 4 complete? 1 2 3 4. Yes, 4 are complete. That means our pictograph for 2000 year is also correct. So let's begin for the 2002. 2002, that is 600 divided by 100. That means 6 complete symbols should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 are there. That means it is correct for 2002 also. So let's begin for the 2004. That is 623. What is there? 623 divided by 100. So answer would be 6.23. That means 6 full symbols and 1 half symbol. So let us count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 half. Yes, so it is also drawn correct. Yes friends, so let's solve the sums or the question based on this. How many symbols in question number A? What is the question? How many symbols represent total number of students in 2002? 2002, how many students are there? Sorry, how many total number of students in the year 2002? How many students are there, friends? Or how many symbols? It is asking about symbol. So how many symbols would be there in the year 2002? How many symbols are there? Let us count it over here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 symbols are there. So answer is 6 is A. 6 is also correct. So let's begin for the second sum. How many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? In 1998, how many symbols are there? So let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 symbols and 1 half. So here answer would be 5 completed and 1 incomplete, or 5 whole symbols or 1 half symbol represents year 2000 in 1998. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin on the next slide and see what we are going to learn over here. Now in the next slide, why I have put on the next slide? Because in B question, what is there? Prepare another pictograph. We need to prepare another pictograph using any symbol, any other symbol than the previous symbol. What was the previous symbol? One student or the one guy symbol was there in previous A type sum. Now in B type, another symbol we need to use, and each symbol should represent 50. So we need to divide each and every student by, or each and every year students by 50. So here we will do for 1996. So let's begin with that. 400 divided by 50. Why by 50? Because 50 is given over here. That means each symbol represents 50. That's why by 50. That means 8 symbols should be there. So let us count over here in 1996. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8 are there. That means answer is correct. So let's begin for the next year. That is 1998. 535 divided by 50. 535 divided by 50. Yes friends, so what would be the answer based on that? 5 tens are, means 5 tens are 50, tens are 500. So 10 would be there and 1 half. Yes friends, so that would be the answer. So let's see. 10 full and 1 half is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 1 half. Yes, so our answer is also correct for year 1998 also. So let's begin for the next year, that is 2472 divided by 50. 472, that means 9 full and 1 half. 1 half symbol would be there. So let us count over here. You can find it by dividing also. So I am counting over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 half. So our pictograph for 2000 is also correct. So let's begin for the year 2002. For 2002 is 600 divided by 50. That means 12 symbols should be there. That is counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That means 12 symbols are there. So our answer for 2002 year is also correct. So let's begin with the year 2004. That is 623. 623 divided by 50. That means 12 full and 1 half would be there. So let us count over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 1 half. Yes, so our answer is also correct for 2004 also. That means the pictograph drawn over is completed over here for the question number B also. Now which pictograph do you find more informative? I find the pictograph number 2 is more informative. Why? Because in that we can say that 72 is can be exactly or can give accurate result instead of 100. Yes friends, so the symbol representation should be minimum so that we can give the specific answer, and our answer should be precise. That's why here 50 students representing 50 students representing symbol gives us the proper idea about the pictograph. So this side should always be small. If you are taking big signs, that means one symbol measure 100, that means the marginal error would be more. So that's why we will prefer to use symbol value less. So I hope you all might be getting it with friends. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you all.